What's the meaning of amateur? Amateur. 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 Amateur.
The word amateur refers to an individual who engages in an activity purely for pleasure, rather than for financial gain or as a profession. It can also describe someone who lacks expertise or experience in a particular field. In general, amateurs are seen as less skilled or knowledgeable than professionals. However, being an amateur can have its benefits, such as the freedom to explore interests without the pressure of career obligations. Ultimately, whether being an amateur is positive or negative depends on the context and individual perspective.